वेलकम बैक डेवलपर्स। आई नो आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो बिकॉज यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन कोडिग्नाइटर which is the strongest framework of PHP nowadays. आज कोडिग्नाइटर लोकल सर्वर में कैसे रन करते हैं वो एक्सप्लेन करूंगे स्टेप बाय स्टेप। ऑल्सो कोडिग्नाइटर रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरी हो या और भी वीडियो आप चाहते हो तो कमेंट करें। As you can see, this is the official website of CodeIgniter. Okay. Important part. If you're not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. Hit the bell icon as well. Also, hit the like icon. Okay. Now let's see. Here we can see related news of CodeIgniter official website. Okay. First of all, what we will do, we will go to first user guide. For that, you need to press learn link. Here you can see all the installation part, each and everything. First application, how to build an overview, each and every query, how to handle it. Each and everything is written there. But sometimes it's tough to follow all the things. That is why I'm creating this video for you. There is many things. You can check it out. All things are helpful. Now let's back and I need to go to download. CodeIgniter 3. Need to press the download button and you need to save it. Okay. Now let's go to that folder. Okay. And extract the files wherever you want to extract it. I prefer the download section. Yeah, all our things are going okay. And I assume कि आपको पता है how to install XAMPP on your computer. आपको XAMPP folder के अंदर HP docs में जाके वो folder paste करनी है. For make it easy, I renamed it with CI. Now I need to go and type localhost and CI. XAMPP के बारे में अगर जानना हो, you can check my previous videos. Yes, you can see installed successfully. That's it. Thank you very much for watching my video.